Hello, students. A hearty welcome to you all in 11th standard. It is indeed a very special beginning for you who are now on the threshold of selecting your careers. Actually, from today onwards, I will teach you English Yuvak Bharati. Dear friends, learning a language is a pleasure. It helps you to communicate your feelings, your emotions, your knowledge, your wisdom. And moreover, when you are learning English, it helps you to connect with the world. In the age of globalization, the world has become a small place. We need to communicate not only with our fellow beings in and around our neighborhood, but with many people around the globe. Till standard 10, you have acquired a reasonable command over the English language. Hope so. And you can use it for various purposes too. Now, as your horizons are widening, you need to use the English language more effectively in different walks of life. If we talk about the textbook, this book is a beautiful combination of language and literature. You will be able to study advanced use of language, its figurative use, phrasal verbs, collocations, understanding specific use of precise words useful for the competitive exams. In this competitive age, you need to be expressive, communicative your knowledge effectively. Put forward your views and opinions constructively, understand different people, different cultures, and make place for yourself in this complex world. For all this, you would require effective use of what? You require effective use of English language. This book caters to all your needs of language required to satisfy any profession you might venture in the coming years. And English literature helps you to understand different people, different cultures, and different psychologies around us. It helps you to understand the various aspects of life in various moods, fragrance, and its complexities. Hope you're getting what I mean. This year, we have introduced a special genre of drama. This will help you to understand creativity in the dramatic form and its specific requirements. So, happy learning. Wish you all the best in your studies. Actually, this information is about the textbook. Now, as we all know that due to the COVID-19 pandemic, this year 25% syllabus has been reduced by the state government. So, first of all, we will try to understand that there are how many sections? Prose, poetry, writing skills, and the last one, that is drama. We will enjoy that one by one. Before that, we have to understand the LSRW and what is the content for our syllabus and which part has been reduced or omitted. We have to understand one by one. This is our textbook, English Yuvak Bharati. You may have gone through it. First of all, just understand what first section, that is prose 1, and in which there are 6 topics, 6 prose. First one, Being Neighborly by Louisa May Alcott. Second one, Onto the Summit, We Reach the Top by Tenzing Norgay. The Call of the Soil by Venkat Iyer. Pillars of Democracy by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Mrs. Addis by Sheila K. Smith. And the last prose, that is Tiger Hills by General Ved Prakash Malik. This is the first one. Next section 2, that is poetry. Again, there are 6 poetries for our syllabus. The first one is Cherry Tree by Ruskin Bond. Second one, The Sower by Victor Hugo. There is Another Sky by Emily Dickinson. Upon the Westminster Bridge by William Wordsworth. Nose vs. Eyes by William Cowper. And The Planners by Kim Cheng. Next section, that is writing skill sections, in which there are expansion of an ideas. I think in the 10th standard you may have gone through or learned, or you may have come across that expansion of a theme. In the same way, here in the 11th standard there is expansion of an ideas, blog writing, emails, interview, film review, and the art of comparing. These are the atoms of writing skills. And the last one, that is genre drama, history of drama, the rising of the moon, extracts of drama, in which there is a Midsummer Night's Dream, and Enemy of the People by John Ibsen. This is the content for our syllabus in the 11th standard. So, out of these syllabus, which 25% syllabus has been reduced? We have to learn that first of all. You just clear in your mind. The very first chapter, that is Being Neighborly by Louisa May Alcott. This chapter is not for our syllabus this year. The very first chapter, listen carefully. Being Neighborly by Louisa Alcott, page number 1 to 14. This chapter is not for our syllabus. But the entire text, listen carefully, the entire text and comprehension activities are omitted. But, my dear student, just try to understand. Activities are omitted, but writing skill activities, in which narration, extension of a story, and language study and vocabulary activities, in which idioms, maxims and proverbs, and direct and indirect narration in the text will be for self-study and for examination. These items will be there, but the chapter is not. The second one, in the poetry section, 2.6, that is The Planners by Kim Cheng. The Planners by Kim Cheng. Actually, from page number 91 to 95. Page number 91 to 95. This poem is also not for your syllabus this year. Just understand. But comprehension activities are omitted, but writing skill activities, for example, dialogue writings, will be for self-study and for examination. We have to understand. यामध्ये पहिला जो चॅप्टर आहे बिईंग नेबरली, हा एक वगळण्यात आलेला आहे आणि त्याचबरोबर 2.6 द प्लॅनर्स नावाची जी पोएम आहे ही पूर्ण पोएम वगळण्यात आलेली आहे. आता याच्याशिवाय जे काय आहे म्हणजे प्रोज सेक्शनमध्ये एकूण 5 प्रोज शिल्लक राहतात आणि पोएट्री सेक्शनमध्ये एकूण 5 पोएट्री शिल्लक राहतात. आता याचा अभ्यास आपल्याला करायचा आहे. आता याचा अभ्यास करत असताना ग्रामरच्या काही गोष्टी आपल्याला अभ्यासाव्या लागतील. त्याच्यामध्ये पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच असेल, सेंटेन्स स्ट्रक्चर असेल, व्होकॅब्युलरी अँड वर्ड बिल्डिंग असेल, मग सिनोनिम्स, अँटोनिम्स, होमोनिम्स, वर्ड रजिस्टर, रूट वर्ड, प्रेफिक्स, सफिक्स, कॉनोटेशन, डिनोटेशन, कोलोकेशन, derivatives, compound words, minor process of words, building, blends, introduction of rhythm. These points will be there in the vocabulary and word building. Figures of speech and stylistic devices. I think in the 10th standard you may come across the figures of speech. Functional grammar, editing, revision, finding errors, common gaffers, that is common errors. These are the grammatical items we have to learn in the 11th standard. Actually, we don't have to learn. You have learnt all these items up to the 10th standard. In the 11th standard, we have to just remind. We have to just fresh that knowledge again here in the 11th standard. This is the last page of your textbook. Just remember the very first chapter and the last poem has been omitted. Thank you very much. If you have any kind of problem, then write to me.